Today we are going to discuss about reduction of metal oxides. Okay, here metal oxides can be reduced to crude metals. Metal oxides can be used to converted to crude metals. Okay, by using suitable reducing agent. Suitable reducing agent like carbon monoxide, hydrogen, aluminum and active metals such as sodium, etc. Sodium, potassium, etc. Okay, so selection of reducing agent. So carbon monoxide, hydrogen இவ்வளோ இருக்கு இல்லையா. So selection of reducing agent பார்த்தோம்னா choice of the reducing agent is depends on nature of the metal. Nature of the metal. Okay, for example carbon cannot be used as a reducing agent for active metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminum. So carbon cannot be used as a reducing agent. For number compounds active metals. Active metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminum, etc. Okay, and then similarly carbon monoxide cannot be used as a reducing agent. For metal oxides. Such as zinc oxide and aluminum oxide, Al2O3, like this compound. Okay, so metal oxides ko zinc oxide and Al2O3 ku carbon monoxide reducing agent use பண்ண முடியாது. and active metals and sodium, potassium, aluminum இந்த மாதிரி active metals க்கு carbon reducing agent யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, so reducing agent selection பண்ணனும்னா the selection of the reducing agent by applying Ellingham diagram. அத நம்ம Ellingham diagram apply பண்ணி metals நம்ம select பண்ணிக்கலாம். reducing agent select பண்ணிக்கலாம். எந்த metals க்கு எந்த reducing agent யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லி select பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so this is a reduction of metal oxides. and then smelting process. Okay, smelting process பார்த்தோம்னா a flux and reducing agent and ore. Reducing agent, so flux and reducing agent, this mixture is added to the ore particle add பண்றோம். Okay, this mixture get heating and form a melting form of a melted compound பார்த்தோம்னா at elevated temperature க்கு heating கொடுக்கணும். Okay, this mixture is heated and getting melt ஆகும். Okay, so this mixture is melting and என்ன ஆகும், elevated temperature use பண்றோம். elevated temperature heat பண்றோம். Okay, the flux and the reducing agent, this mixture is added to the ore, and this mixture is heated and melting to at elevated temperature. Elevated temperature heat பண்றோம். Okay, so elevated temperature சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, elevated temperature பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, is above melting point of the metal. Elevated temperature is here above melting point of the above melting point of the metal. Okay, flux is on here. Flux is there. It is a chemical substance. It form a easily fusible slag with gangue. Okay, so easily fusible slag with gangue particle. It is a flux compound. So reducing agent use பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா. So reducing agent பார்த்தோம்னா reducing agent is carbon or carbon monoxide or aluminum. Carbon monoxide or aluminum used as a reducing agent for smelting process. Okay, and then this ore compound contain gangue particles. Okay, so this ore is treated with silica. This ore is treated a silica compound. Silica add பண்றோம். It is a acidic flux. It is a acidic flux. So acidic flux இருக்கிறதால we have to add basic flux add பண்ணணும். Okay, that is limestone. Limestone used as a basic flux. This is a basic flux. This is a basic flux. And then silica combined with limestone, that is basic flux. Limestone is a calcium oxide. So silica is combined with calcium oxide to form slag compound. Okay, calcium silicate வெளியில போகும். Now the reaction, for example, reaction பார்க்கலாம். Example, iron Fe2O3 is reacted with carbon monoxide to form Fe and carbon dioxide. They expel out. Carbon dioxide expelled. 2. Okay. Carbon dioxide Fe2O3. Here 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Okay. This compound having a silica. So this compound is treated with silica. Silica flux add பண்றோம். Silica flux and limestone. Okay, this is a acidic flux. This acidic flux is the basic. Acidic flux, this is basic flux. Okay, the silica compound is combined with limestone to form calcium silicate combined out. Okay, so limestone calcium oxide is combined with silica to form calcium SiO3. Okay, calcium silicate compound. It is slag. It is a slag compound. Okay, this is a slag. This is flux. Okay, this is a gangue particle. This is a gangue particle. Okay, the calcium oxide, silicon dioxide, CaSiO3 is a slag. This is a gangue particles. Okay, so this is the smelting process. And then extraction of copper. Extraction of copper. So extraction of copper is extracted from copper pyrites. copper pyrites. Its formula CuFeS2. It's a copper ore. Copper pyrites is a copper ore. Its formula CuFeS2. Okay, this ore, the copper ore, the ore is heated in a reverberatory furnace. Reverberatory furnace la the first heat pananum. Okay, and then this ore is treated with silica flux. The ore is treated with silica flux add pananum. So this mixture is melted. Okay, this mixture melted. During the melting FeO is formed. During the melting FeO is formed. FeO means ferrous oxide. Ferrous oxide is formed. Okay, this ferrous oxide is a basic nature. Ferrous oxide is a basic nature and silica is a acidic nature. So silica is acidic nature and FeO is a basic nature. Okay, now the remaining part of after formation of FeO, the remaining sulfides are soluble. Copper metal soluble such as என்ன compound C2S, cuprous sulfide, and FeS is a copper mate, soluble copper mate. Fe2S and FeS is a copper soluble copper mate. Okay, and the reaction copper pyrite என்ன செய்றோம் reverberatory furnace la வச்சு heat பண்றோம் இல்லையா. So copper pyrite is oxidized to form C2S and FeS and sulfur dioxide is expelled. Okay, sulfur dioxide is expelled. Here 2, here also 2. Okay, FeS. Now this is a copper mate. This is a sulfur cuprous sulfide and ferrous sulfide. The mixture compound soluble compound, sulfide compound. This is a copper mate. Okay, copper mate, and this FeS. This copper FeS is further oxidized. FeS further oxidized to form FeO and sulfur dioxide removed. Sulfur dioxide removed as a gas. Okay, sulfur dioxide is removed as a gas. Now FeO is a acid basic flux. So FeO and silicon dioxide, this is silicate add பண்ணிருக்கோம். So FeO and silicate combine. This is a acidic flux, this is basic flux. Okay, so these two compounds combine to form iron ferrous silicate. Okay, FeSiO3 is formed. FeSiO3 is formed. This is slag. This is slag. Is the acidic flux and is gang particle. This is gang particle. This is flux. Okay, this is gang particle. This flux is slag compound. So now okay, reaction, and then after formation of the soluble compounds, matte compounds are separated from the slag particles. The slag particles in the copper mate முதல்ல பிரிச்சு எடுக்கணும். After separated from the slag compounds, this copper mate is converted to the converting furnace. The copper mate copper matte is converted to the converting furnace. Converting furnace. During conversion of the copper matte to converting furnace, the FeS is converted to FeO. FeS ferrous sulfide is converted to FeO. So this FeO is combined with silicate to form a slag compound. Now we get the cuprous sulfide only. Ferrous sulfide தான் ஆக்சைடை கன்வெர்ட் ஆகி FeS ஒரு ஸ்லாகாக கன்வெர்ட் ஆகி போயிடுச்சு இல்லையா. அப்போ மீதி என்ன இருக்கும்? ரிமைனிங் சொல்யூஷன் FeC2S cuprous sulfide மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. ரிமைனிங் காப்பர் சல்ஃபைட் oxidized to form cuprous oxide. So copper sulfide oxidized to form Cu2O and sulfur dioxide is a gas. Cuprous oxide கிடைக்குது இல்லையா. So now SO2 here 1 S, 2 S, oxygen 2 oxygen, here 1 oxygen, 2 3 oxygen. So here 2 போட்டுக்கலாம். So it is O2. Okay. And next one, this cuprous oxide is treated with C2S to form metallic copper and sulfur dioxide expelled. Is expelled. Okay, so C2O is react with C2S to form metallic copper and sulfur dioxide is expelled. Okay, so here 2 to 6 carbon, 6 metal elements of metal is removed. It is a metallic copper. But it is liquid. Okay, now this metallic copper solidified. Metallic copper have to solidify. Is solidified. Okay, solidify அது solid convert பண்ணும். Okay, this during the reaction sulfur dioxide is evolved. During sulfur dioxide evolved, the copper appearance எப்படி இருக்கு பார்த்தா metallic copper has a blistered appearance. So metallic copper has a blistered appearance. Okay, blistered appearance இருக்கும். This blistered appearance of the copper is called, this metallic copper blistered appearance of copper is called blistered copper. This copper is called, the metallic copper is called blistered copper. ஏன் blistered-ஆ இருக்கு பார்த்தனா because of evaluation of sulfur dioxide. The blister nature ஏன் எனக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தனா evaluation of sulfur dioxide. Evaluation of sulfur dioxide during the reaction. வெளில sulfur dioxide போகுது இல்லையா, அதனால மெட்டாலிக் காப்பர் எப்படி இருக்கும், பிளிஸ்டர் அப்பியரன்ஸில் இருக்கும். பிளிஸ்டர் சின்ன கொப்பளை மாதிரி கொதிச்சு வர்றது. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நேச்சரில் இருக்கும். எவால்வேஷன் ஆஃப் சல்ஃபர் டை ஆக்சைடு. அண்ட் தென் லாஸ்ட்டாக வில் கெட் பிளிஸ்டர்ட் காப்பர். என்ன பண்ணியாச்சு, காப்பர் பைரேட்ஸ்லேருந்து காப்பர் பிரித்து எடுத்தாச்சு. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் பிளிஸ்டர்ட் காப்பர் from evaluation of sulfur dioxide. Okay, and next one, reduction by carbon. Okay, first of all, the ore compound, ore is treated with coal. Ore is treated with coal or coke. Coal என்ன இருக்கு, presence of carbon இல்லையா. So coal act as a reducing agent for that kind of ores. So ore is treated with coal or coke compound. This mixture is heated. This mixture is heated in a blast furnace. Blast furnace வச்சு நல்லா ஹீட் பண்ணணும். Okay, so ore and coke, the mixture is heated in blast furnace. So during this blast furnace நல்லா ஹீட் பண்ணணும். Okay, this process can be applied to the metal. This process can be applied to the metal. Metalக்கும் apply பண்ணலாம். But என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this metal which is not converted to the carbides with carbon. Metal compounds carbon கூட react ஆகும்போது carbides கன்வெர்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. Carbon கூட carbides கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Do not form. So does not form carbides with carbon. Okay, carbon கூட carbides form பண்ணக்கூடாது. நம்மளுக்கு metal crude metal தான் கிடைக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி வகையான metals யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். You can use that kind of metals. Okay, so for example for reduction by carbon example பார்த்தோம்னா zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is reduced with carbon to form zinc. It's a metal, crude metal, and form carbon monoxide expelled as a gas. Okay, and then manganese tetroxide, Mn3O4, Mn3O4 and carbon react பண்ணும்போது என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Mn and carbon monoxide is expelled. Okay, now here manganese 3 manganese is here, so here so carbon is oxygen 4, so balanced 4. And next one chromium Cr2O3. Chromium oxide is reduced by using carbon to form chromium and carbon monoxide. Okay, so 2 chromium is here, so 2 carbon, yes 3 oxygen, so 3 carbon, and here 3 carbon monoxide. Okay, so this is the reduction of carbon. Ore is mixed with the coke or coal, is heated in a blast furnace. The what kind of metals is metal does not form a carbides with carbon, so that kind of metals we have to use the reducing agent carbon use பண்ணிக்கலாம். For example, zinc oxide react with carbon to form zinc and carbon monoxide, and manganese tetroxide react with carbon to form manganese and carbon monoxide, and chromium oxide react with carbon to form chromium and carbon monoxide expelled as a gas. Okay, reduction by metals. Okay, reduction by metals. So metals as a reduction பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so here metals such as metal oxides எடுத்துக்கலாம், metal oxides எடுத்துக்கலாம். For example, chromium oxides Cr2O3, chromium oxide எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, so metal oxide is treated with aluminum powder. Okay, so metal oxide and aluminum powder placed in a fire clay crucible. Fire clay crucible. Okay, and a very important one, this reduction is carried out in aluminothermic process. Aluminothermic process la use பண்ணுவோம். This process பார்த்தோம்னா aluminothermic process. Okay, aluminothermic process. So metal oxide and aluminum powder is placed in a fire clay crucible. So to initiate the process, the reaction initiate the process, we have to add ignition mixture. Ignition mixture add பண்ணோம். Ignition mixture ஆட் பண்ணோம். இக்னிஷன் மிக்சர் பார்த்தோன்னா ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் magnesium, mixture of magnesium and barium peroxide. Magnesium and barium peroxide. This mixture is called ignition mixture. இதிலேருந்து கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஹீட்டை தான் என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம், இந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ டியூரிங் த ப்ராசஸ் magnesium is reacted with barium peroxide to form magnesium oxide and barium oxide. Produce out. So magnesium is reacted with the barium oxide to form magnesium oxide and barium oxide. During the reaction, there is a large amount of heat is evolved. Large amount of heat evolved. Okay, so magnesium and barium peroxides react these two compounds to form magnesium oxide and barium oxide. During the reaction, large amount of heat is evolved. Okay, so heating pathina the temperature up to 2400 degrees centigrade. 2400 degree centigrade, and its enthalpy value பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 852 kilojoule mole power minus 1. Its enthalpy value, the heating enthalpy value 852 kilojoule mole power minus 1. And then now reduce the metal oxides by using this heating. Now reduce the metal oxide. So reduction of metal oxide பார்க்கலாம். So Cr2O3 is reduced. Cr2O3 is reduced with aluminum to form aluminum thermal process இல்லையா, aluminum powder add பண்றோம். So Cr2O3 is reduced with aluminum to form Cr chromium and aluminum oxide, Al2O3. Correct. So here 2 chromium, 2 aluminum. Okay, heating is very important. இதுதான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், 2400 டிகிரி சென்டிகிரேட்க்கு ஹீட்டிங் கொடுக்குறோம். எதன் மூலமாக, இக்னிஷன் மிக்சர் மூலமாக கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஹீட்டிங்கை இந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். சரியா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ரியாக்ஷன். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ நாட் ஓன்லி திஸ், active metals also used as a reducing agent for this process, for this reduction by metal process. Active metals also used as a reducing agent for this process. So, for example, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, etc. These metals are active metals. Okay, so sodium, magnesium, aluminum and potassium. Okay, first one B2O3, boron oxide. Boron oxide is reacted with or reduced with sodium to form boron and Na2O, sodium oxide. Here 2 boron, so 2 and Na2O3. Okay, 6 sodium. Okay, now and then rubidium oxide is reacted with magnesium to form rubidium metal and magnesium oxide. Okay, here rubidium is 2 and magnesium oxygen 3 irukku illaya, so magnesium 3, so here also 3, here 3 6, so 6 sodium here, so here 3. Okay, and then titanium oxide is reacted with magnesium to form titanium metal and magnesium oxide. So 2 oxide here, so 2, here also magnesium also 2. Okay, and then thorium oxide is reduced with calcium reduced with calcium to form thorium is crude metal, and calcium oxide is formed. Calcium oxide is formed. So 2 moles of calcium oxide with 2. Okay. So this is the active metals also used as a reducing agent. Okay. So boron oxide is reduced with sodium to get boron and sodium oxide, and rubidium oxides react with magnesium to form rubidium and magnesium oxide, and titanium oxides react with magnesium to form titanium and magnesium oxide, and thorium oxides react with reduced with calcium to form thorium and calcium oxides is obtained. Okay, so this is an example for active metals. Reduction by hydrogen. Okay, the first of all, this reaction metal oxides can be reduced by using hydrogen. What you use பண்ணலாம். Okay, first of all, the metal oxide எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த metal oxide should be less electropositive character. Less electropositive character. So metal oxide எப்படி இருக்கணும்? It's metal less electropositive character. electropositive character கண்டிப்பா இருக்கணும். Okay, then less electropositive character than hydrogen. It's very important. Than hydrogen. அப்பதான் hydrogen reduction பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so metal oxides reduce பண்ணலாம் by using less electropositive character than hydrogen. Okay, less electropositive character பார்த்தோன்னா என்ன metals இருக்கலாம்? For example, பார்த்தீங்கன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அலுமினியம், iron, copper, lead, etc. Example, aluminum, iron, copper, lead, etc. Okay. For example, this reaction Ag2O, silver oxide, is reacted with hydrogen or reduced with hydrogen to form Ag, a silver crude metal, and form water molecule H2O. It's a liquid. Okay, here 2 silver is here, so we have to put 2. So water, 1 water molecule. And then next one, magnetite Fe3O4 is reduced with hydrogen to form iron metal, crude metal, and water molecules is obtained, also obtained. Water molecule here 4. So 4. Here 3 ions is here, so 3 metal. Okay, so this is an example for reduction by hydrogen. So this process, metal oxides can be reduced by using hydrogen, but metal should be electropositive character than hydrogen. Then only we have to we further involve in the reaction. Okay, so for example, the metals should be aluminum, iron, copper, lead, etc. And then for example, silver oxide is reduced with hydrogen to form silver and water molecule, and Fe3O4 is reacted with hydrogen to form iron and water molecules. So not only this, nickel oxide can also be reduced by using hydrogen, but not only hydrogen, combined with carbon monoxide. So mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called as water gas. Okay, it's a water gas. So nickel oxide is reduced with carbon monoxide and hydrogen to form nickel and carbon dioxide and water molecules. And water molecules here 2 and nickel having 2. Okay, so carbon monoxide and water, the mixture of carbon monoxide and water, so H2 hydrogen is called water gas. Mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. Okay, so this is a reduction by hydrogen. And then next one, auto reduction. Next one, auto reduction. So in this process, very simple process. Okay, the simple reduction, so simple roasting of the sum of the ore gives a crude metal. டேரெக்டாக ஜஸ்ட் ரோஸ்டிங் பண்ணால் போய் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, reduction by carbon, reduction by hydrogen, reduction by metal யூஸ் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, மெட்டல்ஸ்லையோ கார்பன்ஸ் ஹைட்ரஜன் கார்பன் மோனாக்சைடு வச்சு ரிடக்ஷன் பண்ணோம், ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட் எனக்கு தேவைப்பட்டுச்சு. பட் இங்கே ஆட்டோ ரிடக்ஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் நாட் நெசசரி ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட் ஃபார் திஸ் ப்ராசஸ். ஆட்டோ ரிடக்ஷனுக்கு தேவை கிடையாது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் மெட்டல் ஆக்சைடு roasting of metal oxide. Roasting of metal oxide directly some of the ore give the crude metals. Direct என்ன கிடைச்சிரும், crude metals, direct crude metals கொடுத்துரும். ஓகே, இந்த ரியாக்ஷனுக்கு not necessary reducing agent. So the uses of reducing agent, uses of reducing agent is not necessary. Is not necessary. Is not necessary. For example, roasting of cinnabar. Roasting of cinnabar. Roasting of cinnabar. Its formula HgS. HgS. Okay, it's a mercury ore. Cinnabar is a mercury ore. Now, so mercury sulfide is roasted to form mercury and sulfur dioxide. So mercury sulfide is roasted to form mercury and sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide கிடைச்சிரும். டைரக்டா என்ன கிடைச்சிருச்சு, mercury metal கிடைச்சிருச்சு. But mercury is here liquid, not solid. Mercury வந்து liquid, mercury is a metal but it's a liquid form, always liquid form. Mercury is always in liquid form. Okay, so this is a hot reduction. So roasting of metal oxides, some of the ore give crude metals directly. Okay, the use of reducing agent is not necessary for this reaction. Direct roasting time will crude metal product கிடைச்சிரும். Okay, for example, roasting of the cinnabar. Cinnabar is a mercury ore. The formula HgS. Okay, so HgS, mercury sulfide is oxidized with roasting process to form mercury and sulfur dioxide is evolved as a gas. This is a auto reduction process. Okay, students, thanks for watching. Thank you.